Hey guys, Aaron here. Today we're going to be replacing the headlight and turn signal assembly on GM trucks and SUVs years 2003 through 2006. And the issue that we're having with this truck is that a little bit of moisture is getting inside the driver's side headlight, and it is causing the bulbs to burn out prematurely. And so with this truck being a 2006, you can see there is a little bit of cloudiness and hazing to the headlights and the turn signal. So instead of just replacing one headlight assembly and one being brand new and it kind of looking uneven, we're going to go ahead and replace all of the both headlights and the turn signal assemblies. Now all we're going to need is a plastic trim removal tool to remove these headlights, and of course our brand new headlights and turn signal assemblies here. Now, since this is a fleet vehicle, I'm not going to go too crazy on which kind of headlights I'm going to put in, just something that looks good. But if you are looking for something custom and kind of unique, I'll go ahead and throw a link in the description both for these headlights here, which are kind of affordable, and something that is a little bit better looking. Next step is going to be to remove the upper headlight here. What we need to do is just remove this bar, set it aside. Now we can take our headlights up and out. Now, if you're going to be reusing your bulbs, it's really important that we don't touch these with our hands. The glass part, that is, just because the oil on our hands can actually burn out the bulb prematurely. So just be really careful with them and set them aside. Careful not to drop them as well. So now that we got both upper headlight assemblies out, we're going to work on the turn signal assemblies. And it's not necessary to remove the grille. If you want to, you can, to give you some extra room. It's pretty easy to do. I just like to take a screwdriver or my trim removal tool and kind of pry away at 3 or 4 locations where the grille connects to the radiator support, but it's not completely necessary to do. There's actually a tab down here that we're going to compress, and when we do that, we're going to slide the outer part of the headlight in towards the center and remove the headlight to disconnect the bulbs. Now, when it comes to installing these headlights and turn signal assemblies back into the vehicle, it's pretty much reverse procedure. I'm going to start with the bottom here, and just be sure to take extra care of your light bulbs if you are reusing them. Again, don't touch them with your hands. The oil will probably burn them out prematurely. All right, so now that we got everything back together, the headlights are on, everything is good, it's time to go ahead and adjust our headlights. There's one screw on top, just like the OEM units. You turn the headlight screw to the right, and that's gonna bring the headlight level down. You turn it to the left, it's gonna bring it up. It's important to have these headlights at a safe level. That way you're not blinding other drivers, or if they're too low, you can't see anything at all. It's also important to have these headlights even, and as you can see right now, they are not even. The passenger side's low, driver side's high, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my screwdriver, or actually my screw gun, to go ahead and get these things level. All right, guys, that pretty much wraps it up for this video. If this video has helped you out, please like and subscribe, and make sure to check the links below in the description for the parts and tools I used during this video. Thanks again, always, as watching, guys. See you next time.